So let's have a look now at creating annotation views in AutoCAD Mechanical 2010. Now the benefit of creating annotation views is they can be dropped straight into your Layout tab, our A3 Landscape tab here. And they can be taken straight from the model space here where you're working full size. So let's have a look at those now and have a look at creating some annotation views. The first thing we need to do though is we need to build into this a mechanical structure. So we go to the View tab here, and then we go over to the mechanical browser here on the Palettes panel. And our mechanical browser there at the moment doesn't have any views for these particular objects. So I select 10 creating annotation views here. I right click and I want a new component. Now the new component name is Plate 1. That's the plate in the drawing. So it's Plate 1, like so. Or if I just delete that and delete the 1 there, press enter. As soon as I hit enter there, it asks me to enter the new view name. Now I don't like the name Top. I'm going to call it Plan, like that, and press enter. The components for this new component view, ignore these sectional and text here. You only want the plan view, so do a crossing selection like that. They're the only objects you need. So it's a right click to confirm, and the base point there will use the center snap of the circles. As you can see, I didn't need to put that 1 there because AutoCAD Mechanical puts it there for you. So the next step is to create another new view, a side view. So I select Plate 1, right click, I go to New Component View. This one is a side view, so the new view name there will be Side, S-I-D-E, enter, and the objects for the new component view there will be just the objects that make up the side view. Now, if I go that way, I'm going to select Dimensions. So I hit Escape once, and if I do a window selection this way, it'll only select the components that are wholly selected by the window. I can then just quickly click on that center line, right click to confirm, specify a base point. I'll do the intersection of the center line and the top edge there, and there's our side view over here in the mechanical browser. We need a sectional view now, so again, Plate 1, right click, New Component View. This will be Section, so I'll type that in and press enter. The objects now are purely these objects here on the section AA. Right click to confirm, and the base point will be the same intersection. So what we have now is Plate 1, Plan, Side and Section. Now, annotation views, what do I do there? Well, what I can do is I can click on Plan here, right click, and if I go to New, can I place an annotation view? No, I can't. However, if I go to Plate 1, right click and go New Annotation View, it then asks me for an annotation view name. I'm going to call it Plate_AVI1 and just press enter there to accept the default, and then I'm going to place that in the existing layout. So I click there, and A3 Landscape is the layout I want it to go into, so I press enter. Scale 1:1, that's fine, press enter. Takes me straight into the A3 Landscape tab. Create labels for all subviews, yes please. Base point, I'll drop my first one there, and there's my plan view. So let's get that just there, like so. Rotation angle 0, press enter to confirm. Notice it adds the text, and now it's prompting me for the next view, which is my side view. I'll drop that there. Rotation angle, enter for 0 again. Sectional view, drop that there, left click. Rotation angle 0, press enter to accept. And then I'll just press enter to finish. Now, the text is a little bit screwy. Let's zoom in there a bit and also expand out on the mechanical browser. Notice I'm in the Drawing tab now, not the Model tab. But you can see there, look, Plan, Side, Section. All I've got to do is just change these slightly, click on the grips and just move things around. Easy. So I'll zoom in now, just click on that grip a bit more. Let's get that grip just there and just move that down a tad. It's just below the center line there, hit escape. That's the sectional view at 1:1. Puts all the annotation in there for me. Isn't that great? So I click there, click on the grip, just drop that below the center line there, hit escape. Same again with the plan. Click on the text, click on the grip, drop that just below the center line. Hit escape to deselect. So there's my annotated views straight from my mechanical browser in my A3 landscape tab. And they're all at the right scale. Isn't that great? So straight from model space full size to the right scale in the layout tab, ready to go. So that's how you create your annotation views.